Hello and welcome to Gut Health Formula, your complete guide and protocols to heal your gut naturally. My name is Vanessa Haycock. I have been a natural therapeutic specialist, licensed massage practitioner, and certified colon hydrotherapist for a long time now, 25 years to date. I've been helping people just like you turn the health of their gut around so that they have control of their bodies and they can step away from relying on all kinds of supplements and laxatives and additives and can actually feed their bodies exactly what they need so that their colon can be restored into full function. It's actually really exciting. There are 6 easy steps for everyone can follow. I have had hundreds of people follow this course successfully and come out at the end feeling very, very empowered, and that they can now move into a life where they don't have to worry about what's going on in their gut. I've created the course so that we start off at the basic or beginner level. Now, everyone needs to go through this section. No jumping through, please. You need to have a foundation of knowledge so that then you can progress and have deeper understanding into the why and the how and the what is going on in your body so that you can then maneuver and make choices to create and manufacture a complete evacuation every day, which is so important. So this vital beginner information goes through the anatomy and physiology. It's super fun. You're gonna love it. There's a lot of giggles, and I loved actually teaching this part very much. And then we get into the intermediate level where we talk a lot more in depth about the microbiome, which is your probacteria and prebacteria actually in your gut. We talk about auto-intoxication, which means that your body can actually recycle toxins through your cells, tissues, and organs if you're not eliminating properly every day. We get into a subject I love called the gut-brain connection, where scientifically now it has been proven that your gut is actually your first brain. It sends messages to this brain, and then this brain up here delegates down into your body. Instructions, basically, what everything should be doing. And that can include even hormone balance, sleep, if you can lose weight or if you need to gain weight. It can also affect your gut condition, can also affect your emotions. So the gut-brain connection is very fascinating. There's some other subjects we've got in there as well that you'll find out and love, I know. And then don't miss the resource section. There is so much information for you in there. I've compiled all my knowledge into this course, so please take advantage of it. Without further ado, let's get started on lesson 1.